Today's recipe is a healthy one. It's chicken and vegetable stir fry with noodles. You have got 4 vegetables in there. You've got onion, broccoli, carrot and red pepper, but you can use whatever vegetables you want from home. We've got low fat meat with the chicken, which is giving us protein, and there's also some protein in the egg noodles. I have used noodles that you have to boil today, but you can buy the udon noodles that go straight to the wok, so you don't need to pre-cook them, but that's up to you, whatever you've got in your cupboard. Please make sure that you stay safe and you use the bridge, which is when we hold the vegetables like this and the knife goes in between, or the claw when you took your fingers out the way and the knife is there. So we're keeping our fingertips safely away from that sharp knife. Make sure you wash your hands after you have handled raw chicken and you keep any raw meat away from cooked food.